Hey guys, what's up? This is Yogi with a new tutorial in Photoshop. So guys, in this tutorial I will show you how you can add an image in a text. Yes guys, you can add an image in a text and get a awesome effect and maybe some cool designing in your Photoshop graphics. So how you can use it? Firstly guys, it is very simple. So I will tell you a step by step. You can make like this type of graphics which you can use in your projects as well as for your drawings. Okay, simply I will close this, click create new in Photoshops, and after that you can choose maybe any size. I will choose 1920 into 1080, and you can choose any resolution you want. I will if you are making a HD or something, so I think 150 will be a best choice for you. Okay, click create. Okay guys, after creating you can get a blank sheet like this. Okay, after that you can click on text tool. You can click on text tool, click on text. You can type anything you want to draw. You can make different sizes. You can make any you can choose any font, any size. This depends on you guys, because as per your design and as per your creativity or something. Click I will make on cool. I will make cool, so I make a text like cool. You can make it cool like this, and after that you want to add an image, because it like just a black, maybe black text, but we want to add an image on it. So simply go to file, click on place embedded. Guys, you have to place embedded or place link. This is depend on you. You can click on place linked, it gives a link, but I will choose on go to the place embedded. You can choose images, and after that you can choose any image you want. Okay, you can choose an image like we have created. We get an image. After that click right, and you can find this. Anyway, but there are some scenario guys. Our text has been lost because we have taken an image source, like we have taken an image from our PC or any source, so it hide our text. So how we can retain this? Simply guys, this is very simple. Right click on this, make create clipping mask. It's a very good, yeah, just few clicks and we can get this type of text. And but it's not look cool, like, because it gives a like a simple text and in which we have insert only simple image. But we can make it. Simply go to text layer on cool, click on function. You can choose drop shadows. Nice, you can make a drop shadow link anything you want to make multiply. You can make a 3D effect like that. You can click on sizes or anything. I will make them here, click OK. These are very cool, like it's maybe seen very cool. And you can also make a go to background, maybe double click, make it layer, and simply go to functions. You can get gradient overlay. If you want, you can make any overlay for your drawings like this or this, maybe this or maybe anything, any color you want. You can choose from gradient. There are many there are many experiments you can do in your text, in your maybe creativity. You can make it like using a brush or maybe some tools which you can use. So guys, I hope this video help you. Please experiment, please practice on this, and I hope this video is really helpful to you. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please guys, please subscribe the channel, and I will make every video every week, so you can get a chance and practice on a Photoshop. So guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day.